I'm also trying to like broadcast this on Facebook Live, but I don't know if it's happening or not. I hope it's happening.
I live here in Copenhagen, close to a place called Triangel, which is a very enticing name. In French, I think it would be Place de Triangle.
I'm going to start by
how do we know that the truth comes in a very beautiful way? Why can't it come in a very complex way?
And in English, it would be, for sure, Triangle Square. Thank you.
Started in the late 1960s to question what an artist does in his studio.
Two old ladies go to an art gallery and one of them says, "I find it so elitist that this artist who spent his entire lifetime studying, thinking and making art would make something that I can't understand in 2 seconds, which is so perfect and so appropriate for thinking about what mediation is."
There is no division between fiction and fact. There is mediation between fiction and fact. Mediation, moderation and meditation.
I mean, people can get worked up over anything. It's a bit like the joke about the agnostic, dyslexic insomniac, I don't know if you know this one, who stays up all night worrying whether there really is a dog.
Are you all zen and relaxed now?